This early spark gap transmitter sent out a radio wave that a good receiver could hear as far as 200 miles away. It was with amateur equipment like this that our sophisticated communications industry got its start.
Hey guys, I thought I'd show how dirty my FTdx-3000 is inside after 3 years of use. Hang on, man. I hear breathing behind me. Hey, Blitzinator. Blitzy. So, I've already taken the screws out. This should slide up. I've already had the bottom off. This is the top of the rig. I've already had the bottom off to make a slight adjustment. So the airflow pattern on this rig is in through here. That's the bandpass filter switchboard. In through here, through the fan, and it exhausts here. So, boy, I don't know if you can see it very well. I'm going to grab a flashlight. Hoping to, there we go. A little bit of cobwebbage. But all in all, it's not filthy. Having been 3 years since I bought the rig. And this board is very clean. Output PA. Yeah, so I don't, here, let's take a look at the fan proper. The blades just are not that dirty, you know? I mean, it's time to clean it, but, yeah, it's been 3 years. And, the rig lives in our laundry room, so it's a fairly, dusty room. So, anyway, thought you might take a, squiz inside my rig. I'll say goodbye. I'll say 73 with a few slides. Let's watch a slideshow. You, me, and Blitzy. Take care, guys. 73. CQDX 858 Oregon, calling CQDX, huh?
About that Jamaica station, World Radio 858 Oregon.
World Radio 858 Oregon.